If you're looking for a smart way to manage your lawn irrigation, RainMachine is one of the leading Wi-Fi-enabled controllers on the market. But does it live up to the hype? Today, I'm going to walk you through everything from installation to real-world performance and help you decide if it's worth the investment. RainMachine claims to save water by adjusting your watering schedule based on real-time weather data. It connects to various weather services, using forecasts to avoid unnecessary watering and optimize efficiency. Setting up the device is relatively straightforward, but it does require a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once installed, you can control everything through the mobile app or web interface. One of the standout features is the ability to customize watering schedules in detail. You can set different zones, adjust watering times, and even fine-tune it based on soil type and plant needs. However, while the interface is functional, it's not the most intuitive compared to some competitors. Some users have reported occasional connectivity issues, which can be frustrating when you need to adjust settings on the go. Another important aspect to consider is its compatibility with smart home ecosystems. RainMachine works with Alexa and Google Assistant, but integration can be hit or miss depending on your setup. If you're deeply invested in home automation, this is something to keep in mind. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. RainMachine prides itself on being subscription-free, unlike some competitors that require a monthly fee for weather data access. That's a big plus if you're looking for a one-time investment without ongoing costs. However, while the system generally works well, there are reports of occasional software bugs and delayed firmware updates. So, is RainMachine worth it? If you're looking for a weather-based smart irrigation controller with no subscription fees and solid water-saving features, it's a strong contender. But if you prioritize seamless smart home integration or a flawless mobile app experience, you might want to explore other options before making a decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest smart home tech reviews.